Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're going to do is take a look at Cardano's native token ADA, and we are going to be discussing whether this uptrend and move to the upside that we've caught in the last 2 days will follow up this week, or if this is simply a bull trap. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel, and let's get into this one. Now, Cardano's performance in the last 6 months doesn't really need an introduction, since the price has been doing nothing but dropping down after hitting the all-time high at $3.15. And look, we did in fact see some upside moves here and there, but the overall momentum was bearish, and these short-term pumps that we've caught from time to time just offered a good sell opportunity for those that wanted to exit and to bail out. Now, Cardano is currently at a very important level, since it's super close from the $1 mark, which is not only an important psychological level where a lot of those that want to exit are putting their sell orders in mass, but it's also important because this $1 to $1.1 level, let's say, has previously offered an amazing support level, especially at the start of last year. So breaking above it won't be that easy actually, since it turned into resistance now. And I mean, we did in fact try yesterday, but we immediately got rejected. So the $1 level remains crucial in order to know whether ADA is ready to start trending up again, or if this bearish trend will continue as we move forward. And we all know my views on Cardano. I'm not the biggest fan, but we've got to be objective now. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending Indicator, which is a momentum indicator, we can see on the 12 hours time frame that the red RSI went above the mid-yellow line, which is the level of 55 days ago, which triggered calls for an upward pressure. Know that the red line going above this mid-yellow line indicates a shift in the trend from bearish to bullish, and the price did in fact see a 14% move to the upside amid this change on our indicator. But as I said, the $1 level won't be an easy task, and it remains super hard. So as of now, we still have an upward pressure in the short term, which means that the best case scenario would be to keep going up, and worst case scenario would be to move sideways in the next hours to days between 90 cents and 1 USD. Same thing on the KDJ, the black line is still going up high, and the blue line is still winning its upside race against the orange line, which means that bulls still have some control over bears. Now, if the black line starts moving down, like in here for example, then that might indicate that the short-term uptrend is done, and Cardano is due to another correction. Keep in mind that I'm saying if because we don't have any signs for that whatsoever, but if you are one of those that holds ADA, keep an eye on this as it's very important. My issue with Cardano remains the macro scale momentum as it's bearish. We've talked about this many times. I mean, if you take a look at the 11 days time frame, you can see how low the blue LSME and red RSI are, and you can't really expect a rally with our lines being this low. Back in 2020, for example, the price just kept on trending sideways, and we experienced some corrections simply because of how low the blue LSME and red RSI were. And we only started trending up, and the bullish momentum started, and we only started rallying after both lines went above the level of 50 right here. So for me, macro scale, things remain the same, and as long as our lines aren't above this mid-yellow line, I remain bearish long-term. People simply think that I'm a long-term bear, that I'm totally bear because of how bearish my videos have been, but look, I'm not, and this is proof, for example, that I just follow my indicators. I have longed Cardano 3 or 4 days ago with a total value of 75k, and I even posted this on my Telegram channel, and this is simply to say that I just use opportunities. For me, short term, yeah, we might still go up. I'm saying we might, as we have somewhat a bullish momentum. However, long term, I'm still bearish, and I think Cardano is due to further corrections as we move forward. So this is my opinion. Thanks for sticking by till the end, guys. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to comment if you feel comfortable doing so, of course. Have a nice day and peace.